in the end of July and the beginning of August, we had a meeting which we called Peripheralizing Europe. And it took place in a village in Lithuania, near Kaunas. And the idea was basically to bring people together and think of Europe a little bit from the perspective of peripheries, and in particular peripheries of the East and the peripheries of the South. The importance of this is, I guess, pretty obvious, but the kind of practice or the certain discourse or politics does not easily translate this. So one of our kind of hypotheses or points for debate was that there is something, in many ways there are really big differences. Just because we share this peripheral location to Europe, it doesn't mean actually that there is an easy translation or that there is an easy solidarity possible. And therefore one of the kind of exercises we did was really, address this precise issue about why there is this lack of solidarity coming from the East, and why at least some of the countries in the East are very supportive of the kind of a core or center dominated policy, and what do they get out of it, and so on. And then on the other hand, it's also just in general the realization that there is a big need for this kind of translation practices. We don't really understand each other very often, and also maybe people in the East, or at least in a particular milieux, people who are politically aware and active, they know things that happen in the South, and they know a little bit more of a historical context or some other political economic context and so on, but it doesn't seem to be the case necessarily with what kind of challenges and problems the East faces. Another point which is really strong is that what we've realized, or what is actually just out there, is that the Eastern Europe under the kind of a more global Western domination and the kind of processes of integration and so on been going on through this sort of semi-permanent crisis since the early 90s and the collapse of Soviet Union. So this kind of condition is really nothing new, and maybe that in part it explains the kind of inability to really think what is so special when you live under kind of a precarious or the kind of austerity-driven measures and so on. You have large numbers of out-migration and so on, and all kinds of collapsing social systems that maybe were in place and were transforming ever since and so on. So the point is that there are many points, but we thought that it is important to meet and actually start some kind of deeper discussions about how we can work together, how we can address, but also how we can conceptualize this core periphery relationships, which are not easy and which are really various, even whether within the South or whether within the East and so on. So before going into big blocks of saying that we understand each other, there is much work that needs to be done all across sort of let's go from the north to south. There is so something like this.